Today we're going to find out how well the DJI Spark hovers in 30-mile-an-hour winds. Alright, I think the test was successful. The Spark held about a 3-foot radius when it was hovering in place, and although it was quite windy out, 30 miles an hour were the winds today, the gimbal stabilization worked really well as designed, and it kept the image smooth, as you could see. Really just adds to how amazing this product is. It's so small, and it works really, really well in pretty much every condition. So I would say it's successful, and I would highly recommend you getting one. You can pick one up for about $500. The Fly More combo is about $750, and really overall it's just a fantastic product. Thanks for watching, everyone. I appreciate it. Like and subscribe if you're enjoying the content, and feel free to comment below with other video suggestions that you might have that I could do for you. Check back again soon for more awesome Earth and drone content.